Here at Aoneapps, we are experts in search optimization where we understand the exact keyword that your potential users search on Play Store, and we ensure that we optimize the keyword, the metadata, and skyrocket to the top of Play Store. That means we love what the App Store algorithms love, right? And with the plethora of experience of last 13 years, we have been helping enormous companies, enormous app publishers and developers like you to skyrocket their app growth. The second most important thing that we do is conversion optimization. With compelling app listing, enticing visuals, irresistible call to actions that convert a curious browser into a paying subscriber. Trust me, it's not only about ranking the app, we also ensure that each and every click converts into a conversion. Number 3, we leave no stones unturned. We ensure that we give you a J-curve in your return on investment by testing each and every element of your app, from visual elements to the description aspects. We keep on split testing unless and until we don't get the best combination that is giving you the highest number of app downloads. We ensure that the offers, the screenshots, the visually appealing and videos are in place with different scripts, with different way of presentation, so that over a period of time you get that gold mine era of your app where you start getting downloads of your app organically even when your entire team is sleeping. We also use multiple growth hacking artificial intelligence tool that will overlook and oversee your app's performance from a drone level view. Every once in a while, we will be extracting a comprehensive report on your competitors, hidden opportunities that will help you to monetize your apps in different other ways as well. Still thinking? Now that you are here is a bonus for you. We at Aoneapps, we have a mission. We are helping publishers and developers like you to monetize their apps, skyrocket your app downloads. All that you need to do is, you just need to click on the link somewhere around this video, book a free consultation with me, and get a premium app audit report absolutely for free.